Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to remove green screen backgrounds from video assets. So I have two here, a cat and a subscribe button. So let's drag this over into our timeline and make sure that whatever you want to remove the green screen from is above in the timeline. That makes sure it's shown above the clip you want it over. Then let's move on to our effects tab. Here in effects, click on resolve effects. Then we can type in key. Let's use a 3D keyer to make it simple. Drag and drop this over our green screen clip and make sure you're on your open effects overlay. So once you click this, you can drag around and yep, that should remove all of the green screen from the footage. Now, what if we want to do something harder? What if we want to do the cat? The first clip is easy because there's a lot of high contrasting colors. But with the cat, you can see it has a lot of fuzzy edges that might take some fine tuning. So let's do the same process. Drag it over. And here you want to take your time and really draw out where the green screen is. There we go. That did a pretty good job. And it looks like it only needs a little cleaning up. So if you want to clean it up, click on Matte Finesse. And we can change a few settings here. So the pre-filter is sort of like the denoiser. We can move it up and down to choose how much noise we want in the edges. I'd say that looks pretty good. And blur radius. Maybe we can blur it out a little, make the transition a little softer. And lastly, maybe we can also edit the in and out ratio. This is sort of like the feather in, feather out. So let's bring it down a little. Maybe make it a bit more fuzzy. Just that a bit. And there. I'd say that looks pretty good. Now we can even move the cat around a little bit by transforming it. So now we have a small furry friend in our clip. So that's how to remove green screen backgrounds in DaVinci Resolve.